have a question. I just love native grasses. What are some new varieties I should try?
Wow, there's lots of new things with ornamental grasses, and especially with natives. We have a huge collection at the Minnesota Landscape Arboretum, and I'm here with a prairie dropseed, golden prairie, and it's yellow. Yes, a yellow form of prairie dropseed, and right beside it is a variegated form, white stripes with little blue stem. Both of these are great native grasses selected for their wonderful color appearance, and they're good for dry sites in full sun in your garden. So two great natives. So here is big blue stem blackhawks. This is another native grass. You can see it's much taller. It's even taller than I am. But what's so beautiful about it is this dark purple red color. This is a great perennial if you like purple plants in your garden. It's a native, so it's a really tough one for cold conditions. And this is the perennial plant for 2026 from the Perennial Plant Association. So that means it's a proven winner, and lots of perennial growers have voted as a favorite. Another great native grass is Sorghastrum nutans. This selection comes from the University of Minnesota. It's Golden Sunset. You can see the wonderful yellow gold fall color that it has. It blooms earlier than many other forms of this yellow prairie grass, and it tolerates dry soil, full sun conditions. Now you can see it's flopping over a little, but we had a big storm here and this can happen. This will bounce back fairly well from this, but it's another wonderful native grass. In the fall, I love to see the birds on this. The sparrows are often on it, eating it, as well as it's a good pollinator plant. So there are many wonderful native grasses you can choose for your garden. The University of Minnesota Landscape Arboretum has a wonderful collection open almost every day of the year.